Is your event suffering from no-show syndrome? Empty seats killing your event's vibe? Stop chasing confirmations. One-click RSVPs, zero cost. Total control. See how WpEvently is changing the way you manage event registrations. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins tab and click Add Plugin. Then search for WpEvently and click Install Now and wait a few seconds. Activate the plugin and wait for it to start the setup. You will get a prompt to install the dummy, or you can also skip it. If you don't import the dummy, your event management dashboard will be empty. Let's create an event by clicking Add New Event. You will get a modern editor for adding your new event. Type your event title for your new RSVP-based event. Then explain your RSVP event information in the description box why someone should respond to this event. Select your event type and add your event location. Add a slug to your event URL and then add a new category. After the category, add your event organizer and then add a tag about your event. Upload or add a featured image based on your event. Make sure you add alt text for each image you upload. For your event gallery, add all the relevant images at once. After that, upload a suitable thumbnail image. Then navigate to our main section, the Tickets and Pricing section. This is where we will activate our RSVP. After selecting RSVP, you'll see a defined form for collecting attendees' responses. Now click the next step to add your event schedule. For your event schedule, select your event start date and start time, and event end date and end time. Then click the Save Changes button. Now click on the next step, and you can select a template style for this event. Else you can enable additional sections like the FAQ section. Add your questions related to this event. Then add the answer based on the questions. Once you are done configuring your RSVP-based event, click the Save and Publish button. Wait a few seconds to get saved. Then move to your front end for RSVP booking. Now click on the event you have created.
Wow!
It's quite informative and colorful. Look for the RSVP section and add your information. Then click the button Submit RSVP. Great! You have successfully added an RSVP response. Now, again, move to your backend and look for the tab RSVP Responses. This is where you can check your attendees' responses. You can see the quantity, status, and check or uncheck it. Also, you can export your RSVP data and keep track of it. In this way, WpEvently makes your RSVP journey easy. Get WpEvently today. Thanks for watching.